All your insults and your curses make me feel like I'm not a person, and I feel like I am nothing, but you made me, so do something, 'cause I'm fucked up, because you need attention, attention you couldn't get.
Make my boobies one more size.
My girlfriend is inflatable.
Like small butts and I cannot lie. You honkies can't deny.
I ran over the Taco Bell dog.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? I'm an ugly girl. My face makes you hurt.
And this is my United States of whatever. And this is my United States of whatever. And then it's 3 a.m. I'm on the corner wearing my leather. This dude comes up and he's like, "Hey, punk." I'm like, "Yeah, whatever." Then I'm throwing dice.
Well, Carl, no! You hear me? You go to hell! You go to hell and you die!